Freshman initiation. Freshman initiation or new student orientation, often encapsulated into an orientation week, is a period of time at the beginning of the academic year at the university, although usually described as a week. The length of this period varies widely from university to university and country to country, ranging from about 3 days to a month or even more, for example, 4 or 5 weeks, depending on program. The length of the week is often affected by each university's tradition as well as financial and physical constraints. During this period, students participate in a wide range of social activities, including live music and other performance, sports challenges, stunts, and open-air markets. The week before the term starts is known as Flush or Flush Week in most colleges and universities in the United States, Canada. Others call it by the acronym SOAR for Student Orientation and Registration. Freshman Week in the majority of the United Kingdom and Ireland, and Orientation Week or O-Week in countries such as Australia, South Africa, and New Zealand, but also in some Canadian universities. In Sweden, it is known as Nolling, from Nolla, zero, in this case meaning 0th year student, therefore before the first university year starts, or in Spark, being kicked into university life. Orientation Week is the coming fresh in the United States. Some schools use the acronym WOW for Week of Welcome. In Canada, first-year students are called Flush or first years. In the United States, first-year university students are typically referred to as freshmen. In Australia and New Zealand, first-year students are known simply as first years. Although in some the College of the University of Melbourne and the University of Sydney, they are also called freshers. In the UK and Ireland, first-year students are known as freshers or first year. Freshies is also an emerging term in New Zealand. In Sweden, the student is a nolla, a zero, during the orientation period and usually upgraded to the status of an ETA. Student who is in her or his first college term at a economy involving a fancy tea course, dinner, and a lot of singing. In Thailand, the activity is commonly called Rap Nong, translated as welcoming of freshmen. It takes place in the first week or month of the academic year at universities and also present in some high schools. The activity purpose is to adapt new students to university culture. Activities include game, entertainment, and recreation. This let the newcomers get to know other members of the university and reduce tension in the changing environment. Sometimes it includes alcohol. The main object of Rap Nong is to let juniors carry on the university's tradition and identity and to bring together the new generation into one. Long-term activity often include senior taking freshmen or other years to meals and meetings. Usually the most senior pays for it all. Every university around the world has different freshman invitation, but there is the same purpose. The freshman invitation helps new students to organize their classes, acquainted to student life, and introduce themselves to